Everyone thinks the best-selling freestanding heavy bag is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, FITVEN70 Freestanding Punching Bag. The FITVEN70 Freestanding Punching Bag immediately caught my eye with its all-in-one boxing kit that includes gloves. Priced at $169.99, it's a great option for families looking to get everyone involved in fitness. If you want a solid bag that caters to all ages, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This bag stands at 70 inches, making it ideal for adults and teens alike, and it's designed for dynamic strikes, meaning you can train your entire body. The shock-absorbing system with dual absorbers and 4 springs offers a quick rebound and reduces noise, which is great for home use. Plus, its base can be weighted up to 205 pounds with sand, ensuring it stays put during your workouts, so you can throw punches without worrying about it tipping over. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 6,400 reviews, it's clear this bag is popular among buyers. Now, some people complained about the delivery being split into 2 packages. Here's the thing though, as long as you're prepared for that, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially considering the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a family-friendly bag that can handle different skill levels. Skip this one if you need something more advanced for hardcore training. For the price, it's a solid value for anyone serious about boxing at home. Now, if the dual delivery setup bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ringside 100-pound Powerhide Heavy Bag. The Ringside 100-pound Powerhide Heavy Bag caught my attention with its soft filling and durable design. At $219.99, it's slightly more expensive, but if you're serious about your training, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. The soft 2-inch foam liner offers a comfortable hitting surface, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned fighters. Measuring 14 inches in diameter and 43 inches in height, it's perfect for practicing punches and kicks without the fear of injury from hard surfaces. This bag can take a beating with its durable Powerhide exterior, making it a long-lasting investment. With a 4.8-star rating from 1,800 reviews, users rave about its quality and performance in both home and commercial gyms. Here's the thing, while that's a valid concern, most find it durable enough for standard workouts, and you can always upgrade the chain if needed. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bag for serious training sessions. Skip this if you're just starting out or looking for something lightweight. It's a bit pricier, but you'll appreciate the quality and durability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a massive striking area. Product number 3, Century Original Wavemaster. The Century Original Wavemaster grabbed my attention right away with its impressive size and design. Priced at $399.99, it's on the higher end, but it offers features that serious martial artists will appreciate. This gives you plenty of space to practice kicks and strikes without restriction. The high-density foam and durable vinyl cover mean it can withstand heavy use while still providing a comfortable striking surface. Plus, it's portable, you can roll it to your preferred workout spot, making it very convenient for home gyms. With a 4.6-star rating from 4,700 reviews, it's a favorite for a reason. Now, the price might seem steep for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you plan to train regularly and need something that will last, this investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're dedicated to martial arts training or need a bag that stands up to serious use. Skip this if you're just looking for something to mess around with at home. It's a premium option, but that durability and performance can't be beaten. Now, if the price tag on the Wavemaster gave you pause, the next option is much more budget-friendly. Product number 4, Lecaro Freestanding Punching Bag. The Lecaro Freestanding Punching Bag caught my attention with its affordable price of $129.99 and the inclusion of gloves. It's a solid option for those on a budget. Here's why this matters for you. Standing 70 inches tall, it's designed for striking at various heights, making it great for both adults and teens. Plus, the suction cups on the base provide added stability, which is crucial during intense workouts. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's proven to be reliable for home users. However, some users complain that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing, once you get past that, the performance and value you get for the price are hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty training. For the price, it's genuinely impressive. Now, if you're curious about another affordable option, let's check out the next bag on the list. Product number 5, Drypex Freestanding Punching Bag. The Drypex Freestanding Punching Bag stood out to me because of its low price of $127.99 and solid reviews. It's an appealing choice for beginners and casual users. Here's why this matters for you. Measuring 68.9 inches tall, it's a great fit for adults and youth alike. The ABS base with suction cups adds stability, important for any serious workout. With a 4.5-star rating from 6,400 reviews, it's clear that many find it effective and reliable. However, some users mention the bag can wobble a bit with very powerful strikes. Here's the thing, while that might be true for most users, it holds up well and offers a great training experience without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for a solid bag on a budget. Skip this one if you're very experienced and need something more heavy-duty. It's really a steal for the features you get. So there you have it, the FITVEN offers great family value, the Ringside is a solid choice for serious training, the Century Wavemaster provides ample striking area, the Lecero is perfect for budget-conscious buyers, and the Drypex stands strong for beginners. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best before making a decision.